أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقهوا قولي اللهم افتح علينا حكمتك وانشر علينا رحمتك يا ذا الجلال والإكرام اللهم إني أسألك علما نافعا وعملا متقبلا ورزقا طيبا اللهم اغفر لي في بدني اللهم اغفر لي سمعي اللهم اغفر لي بصري لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك إني كنت من الظالمين. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn about the standard method of solutions. We've already discussed in detail in our previous tutorial about totaling, counting. So I'm going to quickly revise all the concepts and then we will make a small calculator with the help of online compiler Python ideally. So you have the online access of these compiler as well. So you can go over here www.onlinepython.com. I just type in the Google search engine online compiler, Python compiler, blah blah blah. You will get this. Okay. So I'm using right now here this one. So click on top left corner, click on file. So I'm going to take start. Let's say first save the file. Let's make a small calculator. Okay, this is my file name. Let's make a small, okay, basic calculator that will perform all arithmetic operation. It's very easy. Okay, so let me select the destination, just click on save. That's it. It's very easy. Now I'm going to open a magnifier that will help me to magnify this thing so that you can see easily. Okay, so now let's take start from here. First I will tag comments. Comments are what? Hashtag is used to write comments. Comments are dead piece of code. Okay, what is the purpose of comments? Okay, it will explain or tell the some of those who are reading your code, tell or inform about what we are going to do in the next step. Basically it will tell us about our plan, what we are going to write in the next step. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make a small basic calculator which will perform. I'm going to make a basic calculator. This is my objective calculator that perform arithmetic operation. Okay, operation, that's it. Okay, let's take start. Compiler will ignore these commands and it's good programming practice that you have to write comment. Okay, now first I need some variables over here. So
Is it necessary to write all these commands or we can write any other commands?
But any other command, I'm just writing it for your knowledge. What is the purpose of writing these commands? It's a dead piece of code and it's very mandatory. For example, I have written this code. You want to open this code, you have opened my source file. Source file means in which I have written this code. Okay, when you will open at your end and you will easily understand what is the purpose of writing all these statements. What if I will don't mention these comments? You will don't understand. It will take a lot of time to understand each step that we have written in sequence. So okay, now first we will declare meaningful variable name. Hashtag let's declare meaningful variable name. And this is what one of the programming statement. This is called one of the programming statement. Programming technique. Okay, enter. Okay, let's say num1. num1, that's how you can declare a meaningful variable name, combination of different numbers, characters and the number. We cannot give spaces between these two, these two words, or these two, this is a digit and a number, because it will give you a syntax error. If you want to give space, then you have to use what? Underscore here. Okay, these are
Okay.
programming, these are declaring variable rules, these are variable rules, and we cannot start the variable name with number. So let's see, let's try this. Okay, put is equal to sign, and now I'm going to take input from user. Input is used to take input from user, just like we use a calculator, mobile phone, we will type something with the help of our bare finger or special pen called stylus to give instruction, instruction to the computer or machine. The same way we will use this input function to take input from the user. Clear? And
Yes, sir.
whatever we will type in this double quotation, it will print as it is message, print as it is on the screen. Let's suppose I'm going to print these messages, these dash dash dash. Okay, now do Control S, click on run the module F5 shortcut key. So look here, what will be the outcome? The dash 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 dash.
Yes, sir.
Okay, input, it's
Yes.
saying input, this is input, uh, but it's not a clear message. We have to write what? A clear message over here. So now look here, so let's type, instead of these dashes, hyphens, we are going to write what? Suitable message. Please enter first number, first positive integer. Okay, okay, अगर positive नहीं करना
Yes.
तो first, um, first number, just print a clear message. And now let's run this code, let's check this outcome. Okay, now this is our outcome of this single statement. Look here, num underscore 1 is equal to input, please enter the first number. And look here, this will be the outcome. The user will see only this, at client side only this message will appear, but back end, this is called back end, this is called front end. Clear? Back end and front end. This is
Yes.
front end, this is back end. Back end is where we will write code, programming. This is high level language. So now moving towards the next statement. Let's copy this, because we need two numbers for addition, subtraction and multiplication, isn't it? So just change this
Sir,
variable.
write an S in the first.
Sorry,
Sir, first के अंदर S लगाएं.
where we have to write S.
Yes, sir, in first.
S यहाँ पे like that.
FIR. Yes.
First arch number. Okay, fine. Okay, and now here we need to just make few changes. Copy paste. That's how you can declare a second variable name,
Sir,
and
S
that's
नहीं FIRS थी.
first an FIR.
R के बाद
Oh,
S.
ठीक है. Okay, fine. This is not first. This is what?
Yes.
Second. So I will type second like that. Are you with me till here? Make sense? This is variable number 1, this is variable
Yes,
number
sir.
2, and let's take input. And now let's calculate, write command. What I'm going to do now, let's perform all arithmetic operators, arithmetic operations. कौन से? For example, E dot G, addition, subtraction, multiplication,
Multiplication.
and the
Division.
division, and one more, that is remainder. We can find the remainder with the help of percentage sign, and the later on we can calculate the power as well. So power के लिए we will use this cap. Okay, 2 raised to power something.
Yes.
So let's apply. That's why these comments are important. Okay, so first I want to calculate the addition. So let's suppose we have taken the two numbers from the user. Now I want to utilize this. So first I will write here addition. Addition, what? It's a variable name, meaningful variable name. Makes sense. We will store the addition of two numbers in this variable name. Okay, variable is
Yes.
what? A storage area where you store data. For example, your pocket
Yes.
is as a variable, your pouch is an example of variable, your
Bag.
lunch
Bag.
box bag is the example of, these are the basic example of the variables. Okay, so in computer science we declare these variables in programming language to store something, and we can change its data during the execution of the program. So now let's add these two numbers. We have stored two numbers over here. One number is stored in number one, the second will be over here. These are called operands. Okay, this is operator, plus sign is operator, and these two are known as operands, variables, num1 and num2. Till here any confusion, beta?
No, sir.
No. So let's print the result. Calculation done. Now let's print. With the help of print function, you can do what? Print the message. Okay, now addition. Copy this variable and just place it over here inside this. Do control S. If you have any question, you can ask now.
No, sir. No question.
There is a reason why I'm saying if you have a question, you can ask. Can you see this program is written in sequence? Statement number one in order. Statement 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
Yes, sir.
7, 8, 9, 10. These are 10 statements. Okay. So whatever you will type within double
Yes.
quotation, it will print as it is. Can you see over here? Print addition as it
Yes,
is.
sir.
So let's run. Okay. Now enter the first number. क्या enter करूँ? बताएं आप.
Sir, 10.
Okay, 10. Okay, now enter. Please enter second number.
12.
Okay, 12. The outcome is very clear. 12 plus 10. What will be the expected outcome?
22.
22. Let's enter. Oh, addition. What happened? Why we are not getting our desired result? What is the problem with this code? G.
So, because we have not mentioned the numbers.
Where? Where we need to make a changes. Remember, this is known as logical error because we are not getting our desired outcome. Instead of getting the number 22, we are getting addition over here. Means there is a problem in this last statement, isn't it? What I told you earlier,
Yes, sir.
whatever we will type within these double quotation, it will print as it is. It is printed as it is.
Yes, sir.
So means we need
Yes, sir. I did.
we have to use this variable name. Sometimes students will do like that, print the message, print this variable within double quotation, and they will not get answer. Now look here, after this I'm going to put a comma here, separator, and now paste it over here, addition. This is a variable. Now when I will print this, you will get the result as well. So enter. So now it's saying please enter first number, let's say again 10 and let's say 12. So now addition of two numbers is equal to 10 and 12. Oh, again interesting, we are getting errors, lots of errors. This is called what? Logical errors.
Logical errors.
Means we are not getting our desired outcome. Again look here, let's try some other set of data. Please enter first name, number, let's say 23, and let's say 78. Okay, so when we will press enter button, look there, what is coming on the screen, what will appear over here?
7, 8.
23 and 78. Is this the addition of these two numbers?
No,
Number
sir.
1, number 2, addition is done correctly, but where is the problem? Now I'm going to tell you the problem. So first I'm going to write here, make this capital addition. Addition की जगह instead of addition, let's write here a sum of two numbers. Sum of two
Two numbers.
numbers is equal to, now run this F5, run the code, and now please enter, let's say 12 let's say 56. Okay, now make sense? Look here. Sum of two numbers is equal to 12, 56. No, it's not right. Still, we are not getting our desired outcome.
Yes, sir.
What's happening over here? It's doing applying concatenation. It means that we are passing these whatever we will store in this variable name. It will convert it into its data type. What will be the data type over here?
Yes, sir.
What kind of value we are assigning in this variable, Adita?
10.
10. 10 is what? Integer.
Yes, sir.
But this Python is taking it as a string. You know what's the reason? Because we need to convert this whole string. Let me write command here. Let's convert the whole string into integer
Integers.
by using int function. By using int function, a predefined function known as int. Predefined होता है. Predefined function known as int function. This function. Okay. So look here. आपको नजर आ रहा है? This within double quotation. Please enter the first number. It's a whole statement. It is a combination of words, characters, and
Yes,
its
sir.
data type is now whatever we will assign to the variable in Python. Python will convert it into that data type. What we are assigning? We are assigning this whole string as well. So Python will convert this variable as a string variable. इसकी data type change कर देगा
Yes.
to make this as a string data type. How to check that कि ये string data type है? So it's very easy. So use a print function after this statement and use type function here. Which function? Type function to
Type
check
function.
that what will be the data type of this variable. Data type. What kind of data we are storing or this variable is holding. So do control S. So let's check. Run the code. So here enter first number 12, enter second number, let's say 34, enter. Oh, look here. Can you see over here? After entering 12, it's saying this class is string. A string is combination of characters. Now, here we need to make a change over here. I'm going to convert this whole string into integer. Just write int function here at the start of the input function. Are you with me till here? Now this whole number is converted into integer.
Yes, sir.
So let's control S, run the code, and now I'm going to enter, let's say 45 and the 67. Error आना चाहिए. Error आ गया. Look here. Now this 45 is converted into integer class. Are you with me till here?
Yes, sir.
पहले कौन सी
Yes.
क्लास थी? स्ट्रिंग थी. Now when I apply integer function, now it is converting into number, integer, positive integer. Okay, now let's convert the next string
Yes.
as well. Let's convert this in string into,
Integer.
yes, and we will put these round brackets as well over here. Inside the round brackets we will put keep this input function. That's it. So now you will not get error. So when you will run the code, and this time we will get our desired outcome. So let me restart this so that we can start this from. Pay attention. Okay. So let's enter the first number. Let's again 23, and let's say now this time 34. Enter. Sum of two numbers is equal to 57. Look here.
Yes.
Got it? This is our outcome of these
Yes, sir.
statements. That's it. Just like that. Let me take
सर एक मिनट इसको ये स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो.
I have taken the screenshot. I will share with you.
ओके सर.
Hold on. Let me share with you. Done. Okay now. Okay, G. We are back here. Now here onward you need to convert it. Just let me complete, then later on you can do practice. Okay, now I'm utilizing these two numbers again, and I will perform addition. I have done. Now I'm going to perform subtraction. So I will copy this. I will paste over here. I will paste over here. I will paste like that. Okay, do control S. Let's change the variable name. So now I'm going to perform subtraction. So let's write subtraction. Any confusion? Change the sign,
No,
convert
sir.
into minus. And now we need to perform multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Multiplication. So let's write, instead of this plus sign, I'm going to write what? Static multiplication sign. Now, in case of instead of this, I'm going to write, let's say div for division. Okay, like division. Division. So instead of this plus sign,
Wait.
I'm going to put what? Slash. Now I want to calculate the remainder. Remainder. होता है ना, we sometimes will calculate the remainder. For example,
By percentage, sir.
percentage sign will help us to do that. Done. All calculation done over it. And now I want to print this statement so that we can get our desired result. So paste, 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 and paste. Okay, copy paste, copy paste, copy paste. So now here I'm going to write what? First is subtraction. Subtraction of a difference of two numbers. Difference of two numbers is equal to, so let's write here, copy this and paste it over here. Okay, now next is what? Multiplication. So instead of writing multiplication, I'm going to write product, isn't it? Product of two number.
Yes, sir.
Product of two number is addition. Okay, now then division. So here I'm going to write this division of two numbers. So remainder of two number. Just copy this and paste it within double quotation.
Sir, we have to like मतलब हमने exactly सारा यही करना होता है.
ऐसे
ये याद कैसे होगा?
याद, you need to memorize this all. मेरा बच्चा memorize नहीं करना, concepts हैं, रट्टा थोड़ी लगाना है, practice करो.
यार
Addition.
बाकी मुझे सारा नहीं समझ आ गया, लेकिन वो जो आपने ऊपर वो जो इंटीजर और इनपुट वाला किया वो नहीं आ रहा.
ये मैंने कॉपी इसलिए करके भेजा है ना, ये किस लिए है? हम इसकी डाटा टाइप को चेक करने के लिए, टू चेक द डाटा टाइप ऑफ द वेरिएबल. हैशटैग लुक हियर, वी यूज टाइप फंक्शन, टाइप फंक्शन टू चेक द डाटा टाइप ऑफ अ वेरिएबल. अब समझ आ गई? ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
Why do we use type function to check the data type of a variable? ठीक है, तो अगर डाटा टाइप होगी या क्लास, वो ये क्लास वही होती है. इंट हो गया या इंटीजर, फॉर एग्जांपल इंट, स्ट्रिंग, बूलियन. गेटिंग माय पॉइंट? नाउ लेट्स रन द कोड. लेट्स रन द कोड. रन द कोड. अच्छा प्लीज, वो कह रहा है प्लीज एंटर फर्स्ट नंबर. तो मैं नंबर बताएं क्या करें.
सर आपने भी वो चेंज किया?
सॉरी
सर इधर जो नीचे प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू नंबर पे आपने एडिशन ही लिखा हुआ है साइड पे, ब्लैक वाला.
आई डिड इट इंटेंशनली. आपको कंसेप्ट यहाँ पे बताना चाह रहा था, which is a part of IGCSE and GCE syllabus. Excellent, you have figured it out. Well done, I'm proud of you. So let's continue with that. मुझे बताएं. You are right, well done. कि I haven't making changes over there. Addition लिखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. Addition है, subtraction है, और product of two numbers should come over here. What product? Multiplication आना चाहिए, but there is a reason behind that. I will tell you later on. So give me number.
Yes.
Number बताएं.
Sir 2
Okay, 2. Next.
and 7.
Okay, 7. Okay, enter. So now look here. Uh, the sum of two number is 9, isn't it? 7 plus 2 is 9. Difference of two numbers is what?
Yes.
क्या कर -5 आ गया. First number was 2. 2 minus 7 is what? -5. Clear हो गया.
-5.
But look here, product of two numbers 7 2 times is 14, but it is 9. Division of two numbers is something
9.
else, and remainder of two numbers there is an error over here. Look here. So we will quickly go back to our source code, and check that there is an error over here. This is called logical error because we are not getting our desired outcome. This is known as which error? Logical error.
Logical.
Okay, now let's make changes over here. I'm going to copy this and paste it over here. Instead of addition, I'm going to copy this division and I will paste it over here, and the same way I will copy this remainder function and paste it over here. Done. Okay, now let's run the code. Now let's enter the values. Let me restart the shell. Restart this window, shell. Restart the shell, and now cross it. Now when I will run this, only that screen will appear. This one. Okay, stop it. Okay, enter first number. Same number बोलो.
4.
Number बता दो.
4
4.
and 8.
Oh, 4 and 8. Okay, fine. So let's enter. Sum of two numbers is 12. Pay attention. So here is our code, and here is our outcome. So let me use that. Place it over here like that.
Yes.
Okay, it's better now. You know.
Yes.
Look here. Now, difference of two number is -4. Product of two number is 8 4 times 32. Division of two number is 0.5, and remainder of two number is what?
4.
4. Remainder mean के first
4.
number divided by second number. First number 4. ऐसे ही 4 divided
Second number 8.
हाँ 8. तो वो हमारे पास उसके अकॉर्डिंग वो उसका रिमाइंडर आ गया. Remainder is 4. आज भी मीट लेयर.
Yes, sir.
I will share this with you as well. Done. Sure. What if I will give you a अच्छा यहाँ पे let's end this over here. इसको आप practice करो. आप अपनी end पे practice करो. No, you have to practice at your end, okay?
Yes, sir.
And if you face any difficulty,
Okay,
let
sir.
me know. Then we will take to the next level,
Okay.
advanced level पे लेके जाएंगे. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Allah
Okay.
Hafiz. आपने नहीं जाना. Okay, you need to practice this, okay?